zucchini. This is quinoa flour. So we're going to make an organic whole grain zucchini muffins. Okay. This is from Bob's Mill. So you're going to use 2 cups of this quinoa flour. So you want to make sure you even it out. So that's 2. So 2 cups of the flour. Then you want to add half a cup of the sugar. Let me make sure if it's a sugar. Oh yes, half a cup of sugar. Then you want to add this is nutmeg. You want to add half teaspoon of nutmeg. Then you want to add cinnamon. You want 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then you're gonna do some baking powder. So you're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2 baking powder, right? Then you're gonna add some salt in here. You're gonna add like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. With a pinch of salt, just 1 pinch is 1/8. So you're gonna add 2 pinch for a 1/4 teaspoon. Then you want to add, you're going to use 1 orange, right? But we're going to use the zest of 1 orange. There's the zest of 1 orange. So you want to mix this up. And this is the dry ingredients. Then you want to get your wet ingredients, right? We go to the side for now. So your wet ingredients, we could use, than using eggs, you can use chai seed. When you're doing the chai seed, you want to do 2 tablespoons to 3 to 6 tablespoons of water, and you let that sit right in. See how it is, right? I'm gonna use a chai seed. If you don't want to use egg, I'm gonna use the eggs because I'm gonna do the chai seed in the next round. So I want it to sit some more. I'm gonna use some eggs right now. I'm gonna make another batch. I got a lot of grandchildren. A lot of grandchildren to feed. So you're gonna whisk this up. You see it. So from the orange, you want to squeeze 1 cup of orange juice. If you get half a cup of orange juice, just put the rest in water. And then we're gonna use grapeseed oil. Let me show you guys the oil. It's the oil. So you're going to use grapeseed oil. You're going to use 1/4 cup. That goes in there. Alright, then now you're going to add your wet. It dry into your wet. Right. Let's get this raisins. It's like half a cup of raisins. Let's put them inside of here. Kind of coat them so they won't sink to the bottom. So you put that inside here. Right? And also you're going to use your zucchini. And this is like the zucchini here. So this is 1 cup of zucchini. So let's put all the dry into the dry. So you coat with the flour so it wouldn't sink. And then we're going to add all of that together. Now if you was going to do your chai seed, then you put in the eggs, you put your chai seed. I want this to sit a little more because I don't think it's sitting enough. And that will replace your eggs. So you're just gonna pour this inside here. And guys, this is done. All you need to do is put this in the oven. In the muffin pan first. But for me, I don't have any of the muffin paper liners. I don't have any. So I just use a non-stick spray. And that's what I did with that. So you see that? Nice. Nice thick muffin ready to put into the pan. So if you have your liners, you put your liners in now and then you put your muffins in. And when this is finished, guys, I'll send a picture. I'll show you what it looks like. Let's put a little bit in here. Not that much, just a little bit, and that should be good. Make sure each one of them gets some raisins and the zucchini. You can use your finger, it's okay, it's gonna bake. And your hands have to be clean. Then if you do, let's scoop that right in there. I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like.